Hey everyone, this is Abbas from Tech Radar, and guess what I have with me? Yes, this is the new Huawei foldable phone, the Mate X, and we have it in our hands right now.
So the first thing we wanted to test was how easy was it to open and close it, and here's the noise it makes while doing so. We also wanted to see what the crease looks like along the fold. It's great when you have it fully open, but how does it look like when you have the phone folded? One of the things we got asked was whether it's possible to fold and unfold the phone using just one hand. As you can see, that is possible, but it's definitely recommended to use two hands. We only had a couple of minutes to play with the phone, so we thought we'd check out some apps. We launched the calendar app, for example, looks gorgeous, and then we went into Gmail and we thought we'd try out the typing experience. The keyboard is perfectly fine for using in two hands. You don't have to stretch your thumbs out too much. It's a good size. It works perfectly on that level. We also thought we'd check out other apps like YouTube, which don't necessarily make much sense on a squarish screen. This 8-inch screen is very square in size, so it doesn't matter however you rotate it. It's always going to have those giant black bars, but what you can do is you can fold the phone back into its original phone state and you do get reasonably large screen video. One of the advantages of having a foldable phone is when you open the phone up, the large screen allows you to browse the web in a really nice experience. I mean, you can't really have that on a small phone, so it's great to have that large screen present when you want to browse. And obviously, when you're done, you can just simply fold the phone back into your regular mode and the browsing takes over from there.
So that is the Huawei Mate X, the future of phones. This is the kind of phone that I want to use right now. Huawei said that they will be releasing it sometime this year. We don't have a firm date for it. Stay tuned to Tech Radar for all future updates on the Huawei Mate X.